Tito Hil. Happy birthday! Nadawa si Kuya. Nadawa si Kuya.
Oo nga, happy birthday, Hilda! Magko si Bimbi! Bimbi! Hello, mag-happy birthday sa'yo si Bimbi!
Bimbi!
Bimbi, say hi!
Bimbi, look at the camera when you say hi.
Sabihin mo, happy birthday para kay Tita Hil yan. Happy birthday kay Tita Hil, kay parang Bimbo na lang. Mas parang nasyashy si Bimbi.
Ayaw na.
Namimiss ka na ni Tito Bimbo.
Manila, I keep coming back.
This is, look at this, papaitan. Yes, the papaitan misses you.
Saan yung ruler?
Next.
Saan yung ruler? Get the ruler.
Sorry na lang kayo. This is Kani salad. Yes. And this is pinaka-instant. And this is yummy chicken with young corn and mushrooms and cream. And this is laing. And this is lumpia fresh lumpia. Yes, lumpia. Lola,
say hi to Tita Hilda. Say happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Tito Lola.
Sabi ni Claudine.
No, for Tita Hilda.
And this is salmon and shrimp sinigang.
Yes.
Promise me you'll never let go.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Hilda. Oh my God. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Hil.
Tita
Happy
Hil.
birthday, Tita Hil.
Mahaba.
Tita Hil, miss na kita. Thank you for your message. And kay Bimbo and kay Karim and kay Leslie, miss namin kayo dun sa surprise. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hanap kita Manila, ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tenga, mga jeepney mong nagliliparan, mga babae.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Walang server! Hondarat, kalitan mo na yung fan! Walang fan! Hindi wala yung fan! Nasa pautig ba kayo?
Tan!
Hindi, wait lang muna!
Si Kuya Joey, nakataba. Basagin niyo sa hil. Oo nga. Naku, si Kuya Joey, oh. Naku.
Yung takip na lang ng ano, yung
Yung shopping bill.
Meron, kasama ko wala.
Happy birthday, Hilda! Happy birthday, Hilda! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Hilda!
No place in the world like Manila.